DaVinci Resolve 10, as well as the Lite version, comes with a demo version of the easyDCP plugins. The demo version allows for the creation of encrypted as well as non-encrypted DCPs, but will embed visual watermarks in the DCP. The playback module's demo mode restrictions are that the image quality drastically drops after 15 seconds and audio will get muted. As we can see in the easyDCP About dialog, no modules have been activated so far. The plugins can be activated with a license file. And for this, as well as for the creation of your unique certificates, the license server needs some information which can be provided in a single step using the license and certificate request. It is important that you execute this step on the machine you want to license. You can use another machine to upload the request later in case the production machine is not connected to the internet. Let's start creating a license and certificate request. In DaVinci Resolve, browse to the menu entry File, easyDCP, Request License and Certificates. Please provide your name, your company's URL, and a password. You'll need this password during the activation process later on. The URL will be stated in the certificate's title, and the password protects the access to these certificates. Select a location for storing the request file, which is basically an HTML page with your information embedded. Press Save Request. Now, open the HTML file using a web browser on a machine connected to the internet. Next, click the Upload License and Certificate Request button. You will be redirected to the easyDCP web store. If you didn't create an account at easyDCP.com yet, please do so now in order to purchase the license. Once you are logged in, you should be redirected to this site. Existing easyDCP customers can issue a license for Resolve 10 running on the same machine as the easyDCP standalone tools. If you already have a license for easyDCP standalone products, as well as a valid service contract, follow this route and click Activate Plugin. New customers use the button Purchase License. On the next page, you can select which modules you'd like to license. The encryption modules won't work without the basic module, so if you solely select, for example, encryption, the packager module will be added as well. We will skip the next steps since these are all webshop related and may change in future. At the end of the purchase process, you'll be able to download the license and certificate set. Select a location where you want to store the file with the file extension .easyDCP. Back in the DaVinci Resolve interface, browse to menu entry File, easyDCP, Import License and Certificates, and choose the downloaded .easyDCP file. Enter the password you used during the request and select Import. Your installation is now active and completed, so let's check the license status again by browsing to menu entry, File, easyDCP, About easyDCP. As you can see, all modules are active and you can start to use the easyDCP plugins without limitations.